Hello and welcome to Cursive Writing for Lefties. Today we will go over cursive capital and lowercase L. Alright, don't forget to tilt your paper. Tilt your paper and hold your pencil with these 3 fingers. Make sure that you have enough control over your pencil that you can make your letters properly. Okay? Don't forget your slants. Your letters have to slant. Always remember to make a slant. Okay? So this is how you make a capital cursive L. You start right below the top solid blue line. You want to dip down, but do not touch the dotted blue line. You want to go back up to the solid blue line. Then you want to angle down. Come all the way down to the solid red line. Make your loop on the solid red line. Come back down to the solid red line and then make your tail. Cursive letter L, capital. Let's look at that again. Right below your solid blue line, you want to make that loop. Touch the solid blue line with the loop. And then angle down, all the way down to your red line. Oops. Come back down and make your tail. Right below the blue line, make your loop, touch the blue line, cross around, angle down to your red line. Make a loop on your red line, come back around and go down, back down to your red line, and then make your tail. All right, just remember that you start not at the top, but right there below the solid blue line. If you want to practice, you can go on ahead and turn the video off for a moment and practice on your own. If you want to continue to watch for the next couple of letters, that's fine too. And you can always go back to see what I have done if you didn't get it. All right, so those are my cursive capital L's, and notice that they got a little prettier at the end, because the more that you practice, the better they'll get. You see how crazy they didn't look crazy, but you see how big they were and how unpracticed they look. This looks much better than the first L that I made. Right? Okay. So yours will get better too. All right. And your lowercase L's will also have a slant. How we start our lowercase L's, we want to start at the lower red line, the bottom, slant up to the top blue line, make your loop, cross that line at the dotted blue line, come down to your red line, curve out and make your tail. Slant, loop at the top, cross at the dotted blue line, come down to the red line, make your tail. Slant up, make a loop at your top line, cross at your dotted blue line, go down to the red line, make your tail. Slant up, loop at the blue line, cross at the dotted blue line, make your tail. Loop up, slant up, and loop at the top blue line, cross at the middle dotted line, go all the way down to the red line, and then make your tail. Now this one is pretty easy too. As a matter of fact, there's a letter that, or 3 letters actually, that start the same way. And I'll show you those 3 letters in a minute. At least the 2 letters do. Well, no, it's 3. All right. So now that we have done a whole line of cursive L's, let me show you those letters that I was telling you about. Okay, so lowercase cursive L is just like when you start lowercase cursive B, right? Also, when you start lowercase cursive H. And also lowercase cursive K. Each one of those letters have the same beginning on the lower red line, and you come up and you loop. B, H, K, and L. So if you wanted to just practice that, practice the L first. Practice the L. The L will help you make the first part of your B's and your H's and your K's. That's the first step in all of those letters. Okay, so today we learned how to do capital cursive L, and lowercase cursive L. And we also learned that B, H, and K also have the same beginnings as cursive L. All right, so I'll see you later. Keep practicing. Bye-bye.